Hi, I'm Randy Vance. I'm here at West Marine today because I'm doing a little shopping for a friend of mine. He wants a new audio system for his flats boat. Now, the problem with buying audio equipment is if you can't test it, you never know what you're going to get home with. West Marine has a new audio room and you can test everything they sell. Oh, now this is a pretty cool room.
Yeah, so we have a sound-controlled environment here. We got soundproofing on all the walls on the backside to reduce vibration. We have the ability to turn on each head unit and connect it to each speaker and turn on every speaker to give the customer the best experience possible.
It looks like you've got about every speaker JL Audio makes, or any other brand for that matter, up on this wall. So I can toggle from speaker set to speaker set by pushing these buttons.
Correct, and you can also, these two buttons here, connect each amplifier to the subwoofer to turn them on to give the customer even more of an experience.
Now, my buddy's got a pretty simple installation in mind. He's just looking to put his source unit up in his electronics box, speakers on either side, and then he is running a NEMA 2000 cable to his Garmin display to run everything through that.
So what I would recommend is the JL Audio Stage 1 West Marine exclusive with the M3 650s and a Media Master 50.
So you're coming up with 2 speakers and the source unit.
Correct.
It's Bluetooth, so from his phone?
Connect everything from your phone.
I think you need to set me up with that. That's going to be ideal.
Sounds good.
The nice thing about this system is it's expandable. If my buddy wants to add an amp, more speakers, maybe with LEDs and a controller, it's completely possible. I told Dennis I think he's going to like this, and it was clear he did. Dennis wanted to install the entire system in his overhead electronics box, then network it to his Garmin display on the dash. That way, the dash remains uncluttered, and he has complete control of his audio on that display. First, we used the speaker cutting template to locate and cut the holes.
Perfect fit. Wow. Excellent.
You're pretty good. Then we use templates to locate the speaker screw holes. Ultimately, we simply pre-drilled the holes using the speaker for a template. Dennis had designed a special mounting box and bracket for the source unit. He selected the right side of the electronics box since it was closest to the wheel and throttle and set it in place to consider its permanent location. He crimped on the connectors for the stereo speakers and did the same for the power cord. After that, the entire system is just plug and play. Connect the speakers, turn on the power, select Bluetooth, and connect. By networking the system to his Garmin, Dennis has complete control of the audio on board and keeps the uncluttered dash he appreciates. Once we were sure the system operated as expected, Dennis installed his custom bracket to hold the source unit over the dash in a position he could see and reach. All in all, the project took about 4 hours, was easy to do with a drill, a $20 hole saw, and wire crimpers. Having the confidence to do it came from knowing exactly what to expect from the system we were able to demo at West Marine. A little planning made sure the job went smoothly. We got the satisfaction of doing it ourselves, but thanks to West Marine, we were never really alone at all.